Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create public folders in IONOS mail business accounts. The first thing I want you to do is log into your IONOS webmail, come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines, and I want you to just click on the icon of the application for which you want to create a public folder. I'll choose address right here, and then what I want you to do, right next to my address books, you'll see this plus icon. I want you to click on that and then click here on add new address book. Now you can name this whatever you want. I'll just name this new address book 1, and I want you to toggle this on. This checkbox, I want you to click on this, add as public folder. Click here on add, and then you'll see it right here under public address books. Okay, and then what we will need to do after this one has actually been added, you will need to click on that specific folder. Okay, and then click on these three dots right next to it on the right hand side, and then click here on share/permissions. Now, what you want to do is you can choose how you want to invite people as. You can choose viewer, reviewer, author. What matters is you just type in their name or email address. Okay, right there, for example, type this one in, William Hunter, and you can just click here on save to invite them. And that is how to create public folders in IONOS mail business account.